ऑक्सीजन पे है मेरी औरत और एकदम बैड कंडीशन में है। मेरे वाइफ का जान बचाने के इसके लिए मैं मांग के लाया दूसरे के पास पैसा। अभी ये कंडीशन है अपना, तो हॉस्पिटल का भी बिल भरने का है, दूसरे के पास से मैं पैसा लाके ये इंजेक्शन लेने को आया है।
Madhukar Khairat is distraught. His wife has been admitted in the ICU with severe COVID since the 30th of June. And since that day, Madhukar is in search of 4 vials of tocilizumab, a drug experimentally used for COVID-19 treatment. The hospital his wife is admitted to does not have it. So, they left the burden on Madhukar to source it. He says he's been waiting in the queue since 5:30 in the morning.
बाहर ब्लैक से भी कई गिवन बेच रहे हैं, वो भी नहीं, जान बचाने के लिए आदमी किधर से ये करेगा।
Madhukar is not alone in this nondescript lane in Khatkopar in suburban Mumbai.
The people that you see standing behind me are the people who are waiting to get tocilizumab, a life-saving COVID drug that's not available at regular chemists.
Like Madhukar, Rashid has been queuing up for the last 2 days.
7 दिन से आईसीयू में है। एक तो रिपोर्ट भी थोड़ा नेगेटिव आ रही है, बहुत अच्छी नहीं है। जहाँ पे था वहीं पे रुका हुआ है, इन्फेक्शन ज़्यादा हो गया है। वही है, इंजेक्शन डॉक्टर ने बोला कि लास्ट इंजेक्शन लगाना है, वो लगा देंगे तो हो सकता है इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए। लेकिन अभी मेडिकल वाले ऐसा बोलते हैं कि दोपहर में बताएंगे कि रात में इंजेक्शन आएगा कि नहीं आएगा।
Tocilizumab is so short in supply that it's being sold for more than double the price in the black market.
जोगेश्वरी का एक पार्टी है, उसके पास स्टॉक है। आपने मुझे बोला करके मैंने सामने पूछ लिया।
हाँ।
तो उन्होंने बोला कि मेरे पास है स्टॉक, लेकिन 35,000 में पर इंजेक्शन आपको पड़ेगा।
This medicine is not at all available at any of the hospital, any of the medicine. I tried everywhere in the Mumbai. I came in a contact where people was trying to say that it is available in the black market at the price of 72,000.
Doctors tell us a person in the ICU could require at least 2 vials of tocilizumab on average, with each vial costing rupees 31,500 rupees at this stockist. Just 2 vials will set a family back by rupees 63,000.
What we are using is 400 milligram vials. So dose is 8 milligram per kg. So for a 50 kg person, a single vial of 400 is okay, but then this dose has to be repeated as per the patient's response and improvement by every 8 to 12 hours. Sometimes even up to 4 doses are given. But average 2 doses most of the patients do receive.
Another equally elusive life-saving COVID-19 drug is remdesivir, an antiviral. It's used to treat moderate to severe COVID-19 patients. Hetero is the only company that supplies it right now, while pharma major Cipla and Mylan have announced that their variants will hit the market soon. Hetero's WhatsApp helpline claims to have serviced 20,000 to 25,000 doses in the last 10 days, but demand clearly outweighs the production.
Patients have to run from one chemist to the other, and even the hospitals cannot procure this drug.
Remdesivir costs rupees 5,400 for a 100 mg vial, and on average, a patient in the ICU needs 6 vials.
For remdesivir, again, it is like 200 milligram on day 1, and then we give it 100 milligram per day for next 4 days. So the average duration is 5 days.
So why are these drugs so expensive and difficult to get?
Tocilizumab is a biological drug and it is very affordable to produce. Tocilizumab is under a monopoly by Roche worldwide, and indeed because of the monopoly, prices are extremely inflated. Remdesivir was registered on 1st of June for emergency use in India. However, the US corporation, while giving thousands of doses to the United States, failed to provide any supply to India, and that when the government allowed it to come into the clinical management guidelines and clinicians started to prescribe it, led to a situation of no supply.
And these massive shortages could cost lives.
अभी जो मेरे साथ भाई खड़े थे, वो वही इंजेक्शन के लिए कल से ढूंढ रहे हैं। अभी आए थे सुबह ढूंढने, तो उनको नहीं मिला। उनके अब्बू की तबीयत भी ख़राब हो गई है, वेंटिलेटर पे भी चले गए। तो फ़ोन करूँगा अगर तबीयत सही रहेगी, नहीं तो हो सकता है वेंटिलेटर पे गए हैं, हो सकता है एक्सपायर भी हो सकते हैं।
But these drugs could be produced more cheaply, say experts.
We know that medicines are very affordable to produce, and we've seen in the case of HIV and hepatitis C, drugs that cost thousands of dollars have been produced at a fraction of that cost. And when they reach the market, they are sold at a very high markup. And unless the government steps in and invokes its ability to regulate prices, the private sector will profit here at their cost.
It's important to remember that these drugs are being used experimentally, and there are hardly any data to show the long-term impact of using them for COVID.
In a pandemic situation, it is justified to use anything. But then, as I said, till we have proper conclusive trials, we can't conclude, and we don't use it for much except for trial basis.
There is some hope that remdesivir will soon be available more easily. Till then, if you're in search of a drug that can save the life of someone in the ICU battling COVID-19, you'll have to join the queue and wait for the shutters to open.